Have you ever wondered how your favorite celebrities manage to look so good all the time? I mean, they juggle hectic schedules, yet their fitness game is always on point. Well, today I'm diving deep into the secret weapon in their health arsenal: protein. Let's start with a quick story. Picture this. It's a sunny morning in Hollywood and your favorite action star is about to start their day. What's the first thing they reach for? A protein-packed smoothie. It's not just any smoothie, but one that's tailored with a mix of high-quality proteins to fuel a grueling day of stunts and shoots. Now, you might not be dodging explosions or dancing in front of a camera, but your body needs protein just as much. Why? Because protein is the building block of muscles and it plays a crucial role in almost every bodily function. Now, let's break down some top celebrity protein tips. 1. Variety is key. Mix up your protein sources. Think plant-based options like lentils, chickpeas and quinoa alongside lean meats and fish. This not only gives your body a range of nutrients but also keeps your meals exciting. 1. Timing matters. Consuming protein within 30 minutes after a workout can significantly boost muscle recovery. Yes, that's your golden window for a protein shake or a chicken salad. 1. Quality over quantity. Opt for organic and grass-fed options whenever possible. It's about feeding your muscles the best fuel available. By incorporating these simple yet effective strategies into your diet, you're not just eating like a celebrity, you're powering your body like a superstar athlete. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.